In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a report in Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can remove an unwanted report with confidence. First, open Expensify and land on the home page. This is your starting point each time you sign in. From here, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. You'll see a section labeled Reports. Click that to move into your list of expense reports. Once you're in the Reports area, you'll see a list view showing your reports. At the top, there's a search and filter bar. This is really handy if you have a lot of reports. Type a keyword, a date, or a report title fragment to narrow things down quickly. You can also sort by date so the most recent items appear first. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct report before proceeding. When you found the report you want to remove, click on it to open the report details. This takes you into the report's full view where you can verify you've selected the right one. Double check the contents and status so you don't delete the wrong report by mistake. In the report view, look for the More menu, often shown as a three-dot icon or labeled More near the top right of the page. Click that to reveal additional actions. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. Expensify will immediately show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this expense report. This safeguard helps prevent accidental removals. To finish the process, confirm by clicking Delete again in the prompt. After you confirm, the report will be removed from your reports list. That's all there is to it. A couple of quick notes to help you avoid hiccups. If you don't see the delete option, it can be because you're not the report owner. The report has already been submitted, approved, reimbursed, or it's otherwise locked by your organization's policies. In those cases, you may need to have the report unsubmitted or contact your workspace admin to adjust permissions. Also, take a last look before confirming deletion, since removing the report is meant to be final in your view. To recap, open Expensify and go to Home. Head to the Reports section on the left. Use Search if needed to find the right report. Open it, click the More menu, choose Delete, and confirm in the pop-up. Follow these steps and you'll be able to keep your reports list clean and up to date.